All right, let's try something a little bit more challenging. So 2 steps or more. Okay. So a person's average daily intake of glucose is that pound. What is the mass in milligrams of this glucose? Okay. So basically, you are asked to convert pound to milligrams. Right, and the conversion factor that you have is pound to gram. Right, so there are 2 steps here. So pound to grams and gram to milligrams. All right. So start. All right. Now the unit that we want is milligram. Okay. So what we have is 0.0833 pounds. All right. All right. Now let's convert pound to gram first. All right. And gram to milligram. You know, I'm sure you can find the value of milli. So that's not a big deal. So convert pound to gram first. All right. How to do that? Well, we're gonna times 1 by doing this. Put pound at the bottom, put grams at the top. And what's the unit factor? So 1 pound is 453.6 grams. Okay, you will see pound and pound cancel out. Do the calculator right here. 0.0833 times 453.6. You will get that gram right there. All right, we're not done yet. So from here, you're going to get grams. All right. And then you have to convert grams to milligrams. So next term, I'm going to put grams at the bottom, put milligrams at the top. All right. And 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. Okay, 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. So if you look back to that chart you saw earlier, so 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. And notice that this term is 1. Right, 1,000 milligram is 1 gram. Top and bottom value have exact same value. So so the whole term is 1 times 1. The whole thing doesn't change. Grams cancel with grams. The rest is going to be calculator. Ta-da. All right. But watch out though, we're not done yet. So make it the appropriate significant figures. So 3 sig fix, make it 3 sig fix. Okay. So 3 sig fix. So 377. Anything else behind it? Round them up. Okay, so 3.78 times 10 to the 4th milligrams. Okay. All right. One more time. I'll do with you one more time. And if you know how to do it, go for it. Stop, pause the video and try to do on your own. If you can, one more time with me. Okay. All right. You go for a slow jog for 2 miles. How many meters did you jog? Okay. Now this one, ignore the significant figure. So I don't care about significant figures. So meter, so miles to meter. All right. Right now we have 1 mile is 1.609 kilometer. So you can convert mile to kilometer and kilometer to meter. Okay. All right. Start with, so the unit what we want is meter. And what we have is 2 miles. Okay. Let's do miles to kilometer first. So I'm going to put miles at the bottom, kilometer at the top. All right. So mile will cancel with mile later. What's the equals the unit conversion here? 1 mile, 1.609 kilometers. So 1 mile is 1.609 kilometers. This is 1. All right. Times 1, 2 miles doesn't change. And mile cancel with miles. All right. All right, we got to kilometer now. So kilometer converted meter. So I'm going to put kilometer at the bottom, meter at the top. What's the conversion right here? 1 meter, so 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. Okay, so kilometer cancel with kilometer. Do the math right here. Start on your calculator. So you should get 3218 meter. Or you can do as a scientific notation. If I ask you on the exam, that. All right. Okay. All right. Let's moving on. So next one gonna be conversion of volume, a unit of volume.